Hello friends, welcome to Tech Guru. This is Somi. Today I will tell you how to convert your website into Android APK, or you can also convert your blog to APK easily. So watch this video step by step. In this video I will tell you how to use web viewer and how to uh, handle back button, and how to create exit button, how to create share button, and how to share your product to any other app or browser. Because if you are using deep link or affiliate marketing, then that link will open in same app. So I'm also cover this problem in this video, so watch full video step by step. Okay, let's go in live video. Register and login in Kodular website, and then you have to create project. As I have already one project, but I am going to create new project, so I have to click on create project, and after clicking on that, and here you have to type your project name. You can type your website name, or as you want you can type here. As I'm going to type here own pets web APK. Okay, after entering project name, just click on next. Okay, and here app name, you can type your app name. I just copy that project name and paste here, and here you don't need to change, you can change it later. And after this, just click on finish. Now this will take 10 to 15 seconds to create your project. So this will take 15 seconds. Sometimes this will load immediately. Okay, now it's loaded, and now you can see here screen 1 is displaying. Okay, so first we will change this screen 1 name. So we'll go in screen 1 properties on right side, and here from below you can see title bar option. Title option is here, screen 1. Here we will type our title. You can type your website title. As I have my website on pet free classified ads, so I'm just here I'm typing here free classified ads. Okay, and here one more option is there, title bar subtitle. If you want subtitle below no title, you can type as I'm typing demo. See, it's below that title, but I don't want, so I'm just removing this. Okay, and also we will remove this option, so option menu, because this is not requirement. So you can uncheck from here. And now we will go in search box and type web viewer, WEB. Okay, you can see with this web viewer option, and you can drag it to in screen 1. Okay, and in right side you can see height and width. You have to click on fill parent. In width also click on fill parent, and in home URL you have to type your website URL. So I'm just copying from here and paste it here. Okay, and one more option here is zoom display. Okay, zoom display is displaying on right side below. That is not needed, because whenever user click on that, your screen will be zoom, so that is not required. So just uncheck this zoom display option. Okay, now your website is now ready, and we will do something. We will test this. And how can you test? Just you have to click on test from top, and here two options is there, connect to companion, connect via USB. We will do via connect to companion, and for companion first you have to install a Kodular companion app on your mobile. So, and for that you have to visit Play Store and search Kodular companion. Okay, only type Kodular, and you can see that Kodular companion option is there. From here you can install this. After installing, you just open this Kodular companion, and now we will go on project and click on text, and then click on connect to companion. Okay, now after clicking on that, you can see that QR code, and we have to scan this QR code from our Kodular companion app. Just click on scan QR code, and scan this QR code. Again, this will take 10 to 15 seconds to load. This will establish connection. Okay, you can see website is loaded here in mobile. So your website is ready, but here it's only web viewers. We will have to do many things here. Okay, if see, if I open any product from my website, and if I click here from, if I will click back button, then what happened? See, I will press back from below. See, the app is closed. So check again. I will see the companion has disconnected. We will test again connect to companion, and I will scan again this code, QR code. So we will see again what happened after clicking on back button. Okay, now I'm opening a new product from my website, my app, and just click on back. See what happened, again is closed. So now we have to create back button handle. Now we have to create a create a code which handle back button. Okay, so now here we don't need to change anything. We have to go on block option from right on top, click on blocks, and here we from left side we see screen 1, and click on that, and here you can see when screen 1 back pressed. So just pick it and drop here, and now we have to go on, or you just click on his screen and just type here if, and you can see if then option, and put it here. And now we have to use condition, go in web viewer from left side and select call web viewer, go back or forward steps. Okay, pick it and this one, call web viewer can go back or forward steps, and add it here. Okay, here we have to join steps, how many steps user can go back. Okay, so I'm just adding here 3 can go back, 3 steps or forward. Okay, and in then we will have to go again in web viewer and click on that web viewer, and here we have to choose call web viewer go back. Okay, this option, don't choose call web viewer can go back. Here we have to choose call web viewer go back. Okay, and again in this setting option you can see this setting here, and click on that and choose else if and add it to here. Okay, once more select else if and we have to add here, and just copy this call web viewer can go back and add it to else if option, and copy one more and add to that, and here we have to change step -2 and another -1. Okay, if user have moved to one page, so that user can go back, and now this copy call web viewer go back and add to in then option, and also one copy and add to it again then option. So here we have completed back button option, and so now we can handle this back button. So we will check in live testing. Click on again test button and connect to companion. Scan this QR code. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, now its app is loaded, and we will open some products, and here I will open another product from here. Okay, so now I'm clicking on back button. See, so after clicking on back button, you can see it's moved to back button, back products. So again it's going to back product, but again if I click from home page, there is no option, so we have to create exit button for that. So but if you don't add exit button, then it's a white screen displays there. So now we have to add exit button also. So how to do this? Just go to designer tab again, and here we have to type on search box, first type clock, CLOCK, and drag it to screen. Okay, and here time interval is 1000, just changes to 1500. 1500 means 1.5 second. That is just disconnect, is click on OK. Time interval is 1500 means 1.5 seconds. And just uncheck this time in enable, because we don't want clock enable all time. Okay, now again go in search box and type notifier, then drag it to your screen. One notifier we will show a notification before clicking on back, so that user can see that press back button to exit option. Okay, now in notifier properties we don't need to do anything, just go visit, click on block option, and here click on setting gear and add else if option. Okay, and here go to in logic and choose this one, and just put it here so that we can configure more easily. Okay, and again we have to go to in clock option. Okay, from here click on clock and select set clock, no, not set, just click on clock timer enabled. Okay, and put it here, and here we have to write condition. So just type here, click here and type false. Okay, this will detect if timer is disabled. Okay, and put it here. So if timer is disabled, it just will detect. And now we have to go again in clock, and here we have to choose set clock 1 timer enable 2. Okay, put it here, and here we have to type true and just add it to here. So if you detect this code detector timer is disabled, so this will enable clock timer. Okay, and here we have to go in notifier, and here we have to find some text message option. Okay, I'm just checking this option, which option is good for here. This one called notify show alert notice. Okay, just put it here, and in notice we have to type a text box. So we have to go to in text and select from top this option and add it to here, and here we have to type that notification which you want to show before exit. So just type here, press back button back button to exit, or you can type press back button again to exit. So I'm just typing press back button to exit. Okay, this will show when the user press back button again and again. Okay, and just move it to then option. And but this option is notification only when after notification what you want to do. So we need to do close application option. Okay, so what need to we have to type here close application. You can see there the option close application, third option is there. Or you can type full close application, and you can see this option and add it to below call notifier. Okay, first we have to move into gear and add here else option. Okay, in else we have to put it here close application. So now back button and exit button now is created. Now we will test in our app. So we will not doing live test, we will check okay, we need to do one more thing, because we will go in clock, and when clock work timer do, because we have enabled call timer, so we have to disable this also. When user click on back button and they not exiting that from your app, so they need to, so we need to disable that clock. So just copy this option, set clock word time and enabled, and 2 we click on false. Okay, this option is now this option is ready. Okay, so now we will test our app is working or not. So now we will to go in okay, one more thing I will have to tell you, that is in screen 1 there is option screen orientation. Here we have to select portrait, because when user rotate rotate their mobile, and your app will also rotate, so this option is not good. So we have to choose here portrait, so that app not rotate. Okay, now we have to test our app. Click on export, and here we have to choose Android app. Okay, this will extract your project in APK. Okay, it's now building app. Okay, now we have to open our Kodular companion and scan this QR code. You can also download app in your laptop or system, and then copy in your mobile, or but easily method is just scan this and you can download in your mobile directly. Okay, after downloaded, just click on open and install that application. Okay, now open that app. Okay, now our app is open. Now we will here open some, okay, this add open some products, and then you just click on back button, and again this see you can see press back button to exit option is there, but I'm not clicking exit. Okay, I'm opening another products here. We will open some products from here and check back button exit button that is working or not. Again back button press. I try to open more other products and one more product, and just click on back and back and back, and you can see here back, press back button. After clicking press back button to exit, your app is closed. So this option is completely working. You can check your app while testing, or you can just install after full configuration. Okay, now next option is here we want to add some share button, so that you can share your product. For that we need to type in search box sharing here and drag it to in screen 1. Okay, in sharing properties we don't need to do anything, and again go in search box and type floating action button, just and drag it to screen 1. And here in properties, and you can see in mobile the option is showing below mobile app, okay, on right side. Okay, in background color you can choose you can change background color from here, but I don't need to change because it's showing blue. You can choose another one, or it's this icon color is white. You can choose another option. I am just changing this color icon color to red. And here you can see add option. Add means plus, so it's that's why it's showing plus. And here need to type share, share in a small letter. So here you can see that icon is changed. Okay, in margin bottom, because you can see that share button is showing below, so I want to just type some margin button 110. And here now you can see button is showing on up. Here you can see two option is showing, because I'm just testing in live app, that's why this error coming in Kodular, but in real this will not show. And in advanced properties we don't need to change anything. Here rotation on click option, rotate on click. When you click on in this enabled, when you click on share button, this will rotate. Okay, if you don't want to rotate your share button, just uncheck this option, but I need this option is good, so I'm just clicking on that. And here you don't need to change anything, just you can type in label text share, but also this is not required, you can leave this. Okay, and now I'm going to change this floating action button name, because too big, so I'm just going to change it share underscore button, and it's rename. Okay, now we have configured in the designer part. Now we have to move to in block option, and here we have to do little configuration. Just we have to go to in share button. Okay, here you can see share button. We have to click first on share button, and here from top you can see when share button click what to do. Just drag it here, and let's maximize some so that you can easily see code. Okay, and now we have to go to in sharing, and if here from here you can choose fourth option, call sharing message, and drag it to here and put it here. Okay, and in message we have to show that option which we want to share. So want to share my current URL to other app, so I'm just going to in web viewer and select from here current URL. So web viewer current URL, choose this option web viewer current URL from here and add it to here. Okay, now your share button is now working. So now we will check in live test. Okay, after clicking on share button you can see just now you can share that link of on any other app which you want. You can share any product from your website, your app, to other app, so that you can promote easily your products. Okay, I'm just opening one product from my app, and you can see when I'm click on share button, we can I can also share this product to other app. Okay, so our share button is now working fine. Okay, now one more thing we have to do when you click on some other link which if you are using affiliate marketing or deep link in your website, that will open in your app. Just as see, I'm clicking on Instagram, so if this app is open in my app, not in Instagram app. So we will do some configurations so to change this. So just clicking on something here, and now here you can see if I'm clicking on my affiliate link get offer, So this Amazon link open in my app, not on Amazon app. So I want to redirect that URL to other app or browser, so that only my website link will open on my app. So what to do for this? We need to do some activity starter codings. So go now, move to designer part, and here in search box type activity starter and drag it to your screen one. Okay, now we don't need to change his and change here. Now move to block option, and here we need to do some configuration. And first we have to go to in web viewer, and here you can see when web viewer page loaded, and drag it to here, and let maximize so that you can see configuration easily, and type here if, and put it here, and type here not, not only, and we have to find not option. Okay, this option not, and put it here, and go to text option, and from okay here okay, here this option we have to select contain text piece, and we have to join it here, and in text we have to type our website web viewer. Now go to web viewer option, and here we have to choose current URL option. Okay, from below you can find this web viewer current URL and add to contain text, and in piece we have to type our that URL which we want to open your app. So now I'm going in test option, and from top you can select this option. Okay, and in that box just paste your website link, so that now all your products and all that link which is your own, own website, only open that in your app. Now go to in web viewer, and here from here we have to choose call web viewer, go back, and we have to put it here. Okay, just put it here, so that we need some more configuration. And now go to in activity starter, and here we have to choose this option, set activity starter action 2, and put it here. Okay, now what we have to add in action 2, so we move in text option, and here we have to type some Android code, and here just select this box and add it to here. Okay, and type here Android code, android.intent android dot action action dot view view, and type view in caps lock. Okay, type view in capital letter. So this code will help us to move external URL to other app and or browser. Okay, and here again from activity starter select set activity starter data URI to, and add it to here. And now here what we have to do, just go to in web viewer, and here from here we have to select can web viewer current URL. When user click on user click on back option, then what to do? So that will move to your current URL. Okay, now we again move to activity starter, and now we have to choose start activity. Okay, so call activity start activity and put it here. So now your activity starter is ready, and here drag it, put it here, and put here. Okay, now your activity starter function is okay. So now we will check our app. So I'm not going to test, so I'm just going to export Android APK, and here this will create your app again. Just wait for 10 to 15 seconds. And after opening that QR code, you have to scan that QR code so that you can install that app. Okay, now scanning this QR code. After scanning QR code, I'm just installing this application in your mobile, and we will check it's working or not. Install that APK. Okay, now installed, and open this size. Only small sizes of 5 to 6 MB app. Okay, so first one I will show Instagram. Just I'm clicking on Instagram. Okay, now you can see it's open on Instagram app, not on my app. So this is very easy. Okay, now I'm doing any other thing, just open other things. You see, I'm just clicking on this ad, and this ad will move to browser, because that app is not installed on my app. So that ad move to Chrome browser or default browser. Okay, now I'm clicking on another app. Okay, just close this application, because all thing is working fine. And also after this, you can if you want to upload your app in Play Store, then what to do? Just click on setting option, and here app name, you can type your app name. And for icon, you can upload your icon from this cloud option. You can see upload file, and here from here you can upload your app upload your app logo. Okay, and here you don't need to do anything, only app name and logo, icon. And from publishing, you can choose Android version, minimum Android version which you want to show. And package name, this is required because Google will not upload your app without package name. So you have to type your package name here, and here you can type version code and version name. Okay, only this option you have to do for upload your app. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.